What insults make you sound classy and intelligent? It is impossible to underestimate you. Yeah, well, maybe. Next time you will estimate me. r/unexpected edifice. I envy everyone you have never met. Who are nice. I've been called worse things by better people. Pierre Trudeau. I use this at work probably once a week. I work in a restaurant. I'd agree with you, but then we would both be wrong. That B's good. I can only explain it to you. I can BT understand it for you. This is really good, but I can BT help. But think if anyone said it in real life it would be r/I am very smart and super cringe lol. That B's usually the case with smartest comebacks. I have a couple stored for future use. He can compress the most words into the smallest idea of any man I know. Abraham Lincoln. Some cause happiness wherever they go. Others, whenever they go. Oscar Wilde has some of the best insults. Groucho Marx had a lot of good ones too. Yours reminds me of the scene where he's leaving a party and says to the host, I've had a lovely evening, but this wasn't BT at point B. Are you an organ donor? I'd hate for your life to be a total waste. All I know is one of us is right and the other one is you. It's good to have an opinion. B. If you were half as funny as you thought you were, you'd be twice as funny as you are. I hope your day is filled with people like you, and I hope your day is as pleasant as you. Good insults, but also good compliments, if given to someone you like. Very classy. You're very disappointing. Edit. Also when people cut me off in traffic I've taken to just giving a thumbs down instead of flipping them off, and the faces I've seen are priceless. I've discovered as I've grown older that expressing mild disappointment is often more effective than anger or aggression at getting people to stop and reevaluate their behavior. I think it's very true. If you get angry at someone, that just triggers an automatic defensive reaction, and aggression is the best defense for a lot of people. A few times I got a good result from a literal I'm disappointed at you email to constructors and such. Anything that starts with all due respect. That's the classic one. Whenever you start saying that phrase, you begin to disrespect someone. I don't know what your problem is, but I bet it's really hard for you to pronounce. Sweet. Somewhere out there be's a tree whose single purpose on earth is to replace the oxygen you waste. Go find it and apologize. Sounds like a drill sergeant insult. You have a face for radio and a voice for newspapers. Life is full of disappointments. Just ask your parents. You're so dense, light bends around you. You shouldn't BT act hard to get when you British English hard to want.
Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing for some more awesome questions.